Okay, in this video we're going to talk about how to use Hootsuite and the bulk composer, and also how to use RSS feeds. And so you can use this to post content in a ton of places, but I specifically myself use it to post content to LinkedIn. Oh, by the way, this is Lee Cole. Forgot to introduce myself. But anyway, so here I am logged into Hootsuite, and you just forget this stuff. This is just my streams. So go to Publisher, and there are two things I want you to look at. One is where this button that says Try Bulk Composer Beta, and this other one is RSS Feeds. So RSS feeds are just automated feeds. In other words, whenever another website, and I'll show you this in a second, whenever another website publishes something, they will make that available via what's called an RSS feed, and Hootsuite will suck that up and publish it somewhere else for you, and you can direct that whole thing. So if you click here, you can see that I've got, now some of these have been disabled and I need to get rid of them, but you can see that I've got RSS feeds running from Entrepreneur Magazine that has some great articles and things about business to LinkedIn. So you can set that up here. It's very easy to set up. Just hit plus new add feed, and then you just get all that. You get the feed URL from like Entrepreneur Magazine or some other website you want to use. So that's pretty easy, and that is a great thing to do. Another thing that you need to do, and if you actually bought my product, Press Release Empire, if you bought the OTO1, the upsell to that product, the done-for-you stuff, you have 100 pre-curated articles that you can post. But you can post those instead of you just sitting in front of your computer 5 times a day and posting those. You can post these via the bulk composer. So just click on this, and yeah, so that was a new window that I haven't seen lately. But anyway, basically what you do is you take a CSV file and you put all your information on that. The information has to look like this, okay? And let's just download the example, and I'll show you the example in a second. Let's just open that. But anyway, while that's downloading and opening, I'll show you the rest. So you put all your information on a file. It's going to be here. Put all your information on a file, and then you upload that file here, and you choose the social networks that you want to that you want to post it to, right? Okay, so again, I use this for LinkedIn. I use it for Twitter a lot. And let's just go here and we'll see what the CSV file looks like. Now the CSV file looks like this. So it's got a date. Notice the format of the date. Okay, so it's got a date, and that would be the date, the day, and the time that it's going to get posted. All right? And this right here would be, like if you were manually posting this to LinkedIn, you would go to LinkedIn on the updates or status updates. You would write hey guys, look at this article. It's a blah, 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 and a blah, blah, blah. And then you'd post the link, right? Okay, so this tells Hootsuite when to post the article. This is the stuff that you would normally write, you know, your description of the article, whatever. And then this is going to be the link. Okay, so again, if you bought the done-for-you material, you have a file with 100 pre-done articles for you. The column for the date is left blank because I don't know when you want to post things, so you'll have to go through there and put the dates in, which is pretty easy to do. And yeah, so you get that. You would save it as a CSV file. Okay, so you want to save your change, it's got to say .csv. You save it as a CSV file, and then you would go here and upload it. Hit review messages. I'm not uploading one right now, so we can't see the next screen, but hit review messages, and then you have, if you made any mistakes in the formatting or anything like that, the platform Hootsuite will tell you. You can correct those. and then just click submit, and you are good to go. In other words, it will just trundle through that day by day, hour by hour, and post stuff to wherever you want it to post to. Post it to LinkedIn, post it to Twitter. So that is how I get stuff posted to LinkedIn and Twitter, and just get content out there in an organized way that supports my business, and without me having to think about it. I just sit down once a month and schedule everything, bam, then we're good to go. Okay? So thank you so much.